welcome to day 29. Today is the second last day of 30-day HSK2 challenge, and I would like to say thank you for those who are following me. So today we are going to do some fun tests again. Today's quiz is about 10 adjective vocabulary in HSK2, so let's go.第一，高，高，高。第二，忙，忙，忙。第三，快，快，快。第四，慢，慢，慢。第五，累，累，累。第六，新，新，新。第七，错，错，错。第八，好吃，好吃，好吃。第九，长，长，长。第十，快乐，快乐，快乐。So that's all for today's quiz, and let me know how many answers can you guess correctly. So see you on the day 30. Bye bye.